Hello friends, in this video we will learn some important vocabulary which will help you a lot in learning English. So let's start. First, सचमुच, really. वापस जाओ, go back. धन्यवाद, thanks. ईमानदारी, honest. स्वागत, welcome. सीधे बैठो, sit properly. अच्छा, okay. जल्दी करो, hurry up. अति सुंदर, beautiful. बाजार, market. अलविदा, goodbye. मौसम, weather. पापा, father. मम्मी, mother. भाई, brother. बहन, sister. मुबारक या बधाई, congratulations. चाय, tea. पानी, water. हंसना, laugh. दादाजी, grandpa. दादी जी, grandma. फेंकना, throw. पकड़ना, catch. चाचा, uncle. चाची, aunt. कूदना, jump. तैरना, swim. So friends, how did you like today's video? Please tell us by commenting and subscribe and share our channel to get more information like this. Thanks for watching.